and we turn it up some more. I been going rock hard outside.
What's good, culture? It's your boy Franco, and today we're talking about the most demonic rapper in Jacksonville. Yes, Ksoo 23, Ksoo make your face go. Some new information has been revealed to us in the public about this whole court case, specifically about the little Buck situation. I'm gonna touch on the baby murder as well, but the information that's being revealed to us is about Buck, and I've definitely been keeping a close eye on this whole situation because, for one, I'm a fan, and two, I just want to see how it's gonna play out because there's not really any solid evidence against Ksoo. It's really just witness testimonies and some plea agreements between some snitches. But if you want to consider all the disses in his rap songs, on his IG lives, and just the general Jacksonville scene dissing and giving out information to Ksoo as evidence, you can, but I don't really think they're gonna use that in court. But without further ado, yeah, let's get started, man. Now, I actually had the legal documents of the court case, but before I show you guys this, I just want to show you guys Ksoo's sister's IG story, in which she basically says that this dude's coming home on the 31st. And I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all, man. I'm gonna keep it 100% 1000. I don't know about that. I'm pretty sure you guys have always seen, like, when a rapper or someone gets locked up, oh, he's coming home in a week, oh, he's coming home in a month, oh, he's coming home in a year or something like that. It's always cat, man. And that's no diss to Ksoo's sister, because I'm pretty sure stepping, assassination, and murder runs in the blood, so I have no problem with her. But we'll just have to wait and see for that to actually come out. And I wanted to show you guys the messages with his lawyer, in which someone posted it on Reddit, and this is him, by the way. This is the actual lawyer. It was a conversation on the IG messages, and he pretty much confirmed what we all been thinking, that they do not have enough solid evidence against this man. It's based on witness testimony and some snitches who are too scared to actually go through with it. And I'm gonna keep it a G with y'all, man. If this man beats this case, he probably took the biggest W in 2021, because not only did he rap about committing the murders, and he put the deceased on his album cover, this man literally said it on his IG live. And that's not me glorifying the fact that these two individuals have lost their lives and that multiple families have been affected. It's just me understanding the music part of this. This man's career is gonna skyrocket if he actually beats this case and releases music after it. I'm just keeping it 1000. So for the little Buck murder, this is what they're essentially claiming. They're claiming that Ksoo pulled up to the strip mall center. Mind you, there was a witness in the parking lot. He had a dash cam recording of the whole situation, and that video will never be revealed to the public. I tried finding it, but basically Ksoo pulled up to the strip center mall wearing all black. He got out the car. He saw the victim, which unfortunately he lost his life that day. God rest his soul. Ksoo pulled out the Draco. He saw his victim and he gunned him down and shot him multiple times, and he fled the scene in a high-speed chase with the Jacksonville police. Now, this is that video that shows Ksoo, well, allegedly Ksoo and two individuals running through the backyard. I don't know if you guys have seen it or not, but they're alleging that was Ksoo. But the thing they're actually arguing is that the dash cam video recording is Ksoo. That's what the prosecutors are trying to get Ksoo for in this little Buck murder. The home invasion is a whole different situation. They're actually trying to get a digital body scan to match Ksoo with the dash cam video recording of the witness at that time. And what the lawyers are actually trying to argue is that Ksoo is 6'2", while all the witnesses and the police are saying that the alleged shooter was 5'5", 5'8", and the only other person that could be was Scotty, because he's allegedly at the scene at the time as well, because he was one of the people in the car. So essentially it kind of looks like dry snitch if I'm gonna keep it 1000. But Ksoo has to comply to this digital scan, and his lawyer's trying to argue that they don't really need to do it. Also, there was another witness at the scene who was actually a part of the murder, and he's supposed to be allegedly testifying against Mr. Demonic Ksoo. But the thing is, he hasn't officially gone through with the testification, obviously because this man is scared for his life. But essentially the prosecutor wants him to testify that Ksoo was the shooter in the dash cam video. All I gotta say to this, the only way they can actually prove Ksoo was the murderer in this situation is if they actually do the whole digital body scan. Other than that, Ksoo can actually walk free from this case, because like I said, it's all based on testimony and witnesses and police statements that aren't all congruent to one another. It would be one thing if they all said that the shooter was X, Y, and Z, but there's all different variant stories, and the lawyer is trying to have this case thrown out because it isn't factual. Now, the baby situation is sort of the same thing as the Buck situation, in that it relies on a witness testimony in which the witness hasn't come forward yet, but there's no real solid evidence against Ksoo. I don't know, man. Ksoo's probably one of the luckiest steppers I've ever seen. I'm just gonna keep it 1000. But if Ksoo actually did commit these murders, I'm just gonna keep it 1000. I really want him locked up, because as much of a fan as I am of Ksoo, taking someone's life is never the answer, even if that individual was part of the same life that you're living, which is the street life. But I'm not not here to judge. Honestly, just see the two families affected by both situations and the numerous other people that might have known him. But with that, I'm gonna definitely keep you guys updated on this court case and see how it progresses. Luckily, Ksoo will be home soon, but if not, it is what it is. With that, your boy Franco's out. Peace, stay blessed, deuces.